I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make embed messages, starting with their fundamental purpose. Embed messages are visually rich, structured blocks of content that enhance communication on platforms like Discord. They are primarily used by bots and webhooks, not regular users, to deliver organized information. These special messages significantly improve server aesthetics and make important announcements stand out clearly, providing a professional and engaging way to share details with your community. Let's break down the anatomy of an embed. Every embed includes a title, a descriptive body, and a customizable color strip along the left edge. You can also add an author field with a name and an optional icon. Embeds support up to 25 distinct fields for organizing information side by side, perfect for lists. Images can be included as a main image, a small thumbnail, or an author avatar. Finally, a footer section allows for additional text and a timestamp at the bottom. Now, how do you actually create these impressive messages? Embeds are typically created using webhooks or specialized bot dashboards. Webhooks allow external websites to send formatted messages into a channel, requiring a webhook URL from your server settings. Many online embed builders offer a user-friendly interface for design and real-time preview. Dedicated bots also provide in-app commands or web dashboards for easy embed generation. For those with coding knowledge, developers can create embeds directly through the platform's API for full control. To make your embeds truly effective, follow these best practices. Always preview your embed before sending to ensure correct formatting and appearance. Keep titles concise and descriptions clear to convey information effectively. Utilize fields to break down complex information into digestible sections, improving readability. Incorporate relevant images to make your embed more visually engaging. Lastly, consider adding interactive components like buttons or select menus to encourage user engagement and make your messages dynamic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.